if you're interested in purchasing your own lock mannequin head with locks, you can definitely email me at Locs by Kenyatta. I'll leave it here on the screen. I am going to be offering a service to custom make mannequin heads for anyone who wants one, okay? And I do hand make these. It's 100% handmade. So if you're interested in that, email me at Locs by Kenyatta. To all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here, and today we are going to be getting into my 5 holy grail items I use for styling locks, okay? Every single time I do my hair, I have these products in my first item that I use for styling is the very controversial beeswax, okay? I use beeswax to maintenance my hair when I am styling. Now, everybody doesn't like beeswax, which I totally get, okay? I do what works for me. I've been using beeswax since day one, okay? Now, a lot of people be coming for me when it comes to the beeswax. They be coming for your girl, and I be like, look, calm down. Calm down. I'm like, listen, definitely do what works for you. You don't have to use beeswax because I use beeswax. That's just what works for me. Some people hate that, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm not telling you to use it. I'm not at your house making you put this in your hair. This is just what I use. My locks are long, beautiful. I don't have lint in my hair, so I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna move on to number 2. That is my number 1, beeswax, y'all, for maintenance. My number 1 item that I use for styling. Number 2 is, of course, some clips, and these are 3 different kinds of clips that I have here. I have the long prawn clips. I have this second clip that has kind of like the opening part here, and then there's this clip here that is kind of flat, okay? My favorite clip to use when I'm doing maintenance is this flat one here, okay? And sometimes I don't use clips at all. It really depends on what I'm doing to my hair, whether or not I am doing using clips, okay? I actually had someone ask me under one of my videos, comment and ask if I had a video for maintaining locks and how I did my clip placement and things like that, what kind of clips I use, yada yada yada. I'm actually going to do that video. It's going to be 3 different ways to maintenance your hair, so look out for that. All right, I'm going to move on to the next item that I use for styling locks, okay? And that is, these are must-haves for styling locks, okay? Must-haves. Number 3 is, of course, some little black rubber bands, okay? Little black rubber bands. You use these. I actually use them for this style. This is like a braid out. My hair is actually plaited, and it looks a little bit crinkly because I had them in this, like, I had the, what was it? I had the lock pedal ponytail, the plaited, the plaited lock pedal ponytail. I'll link it here on the screen. That's the style that I had in my hair, and my hair has gotten so much longer since I first did that video. It just didn't look the same, so I took it down. But anyway, black rubber bands, must-haves for styling locks. And next, but not the last, number 4 item for styling locks is one that I use consistently. I actually have it in my hair right now. So 2 out of, well, all of these things I actually use to do the style, okay? Pipe cleaners, y'all. Pipe cleaners. I know y'all seen this before. I love pipe cleaners for doing my ponytails, okay? Most people use these to do curls. I use these to do curls as well, but I love to use these to do ponytails, okay? There's something about the pipe cleaner that I just love to do my ponytails. It just, as soon as you wrap it around your hair and do that one twist, it's locked, okay? And I love that it's not actually squeezing my hair like a ponytail holder here, which really is stretchy, and it literally squeezes your hair. So the pipe cleaners literally just hold your hair into place. It doesn't squeeze. Like my ponytail that I have here, I have a pipe cleaner holding this ponytail, and it's just literally holding my hair where I want it to be, and it's not squeezing my locks together, hence causes breakage. Anyway, the last and not least is my 100%, I always tell people to use castor oil. And this particular brand of castor oil is, I think it's called Bronner Brothers. It's for all hair types. Jamaican black castor oil seals moisture, nourishes, revitalizes, strengthens, and conditions your locks. I like this. It's a spray bottle, okay? Very easy to use. So I just, you know, moisturize my hair. And you're watching my video, have these 5 items in front of you, and you more than likely will have everything that you need to slay your locks, okay? Y'all, help your girl grow. Share this video on your Facebook, your Instagram, wherever you share cool stuff, okay? If you style your hair using one of my live tutorials, tag me on Instagram. I will leave it right here on the screen. Subscribe, turn your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl, okay? Comment down below and let me know what you think about this video, okay? If it was helpful to you, all right, hit the like button. Smack that like button like it stole something from you, and I'm blabbering at this point, so I am going to get up out of here. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.